All right, my name's KanjiCoder, and I just got this camera from Amazon, and we might as well just unbox it and try it out on video and put like a review, because like you get some weird thing from China, and it got absolutely no reviews, so you're like, hey, is this worth it? So here's what we got here. I don't know if we can see this. Let's pick up the camera here. Let's pick up our little fixed camera here, and let's move it around here so I can actually see what we got on the camera feed here. All right. Let's come on. Let's look over here for a second. Let's field trip time. Field trip time. Okay. So what do we got? What do we got here? Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Don't break the camera. Don't break the camera. Okay. So. Oh no. 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 Okay. So this Dell camera, by the way, I'm using a Dell cam, and it's a pretty good camera. What I'm using right now, except for the fact that every time you move it, if you wiggle the wire where it's connected, it disconnects. Right. So the camera I'm using is pretty good. Look how this Dell camera. This is the Dell 4K camera. It works really good, except when you move it. If you move it and you move the cord connected into the camera, it doesn't work very well. So I need another camera that I can move around more than this, because the camera I'm using right now is good to keep it at a fixed position, but when you try to move it around, it's just a pain. Okay, so this camera right here, it says EMEET SmartCam C950, and what else we got here? USB webcam. It is a fixed focus camera, and EMEET SmartCam C950. Okay, let's just look at everything. So this is EMEET on the top, and we have a whole bunch of stuff over here. What do we got here? What do we got here? A lot of stuff. Is that important? Is that really important to know? Okay, there we go. There we go. We got some of that stuff in frame. I can't get that other smaller text. Let's flip this around, because we got some weird kind of barcode here. I don't know if that's important. I don't know if any of this is important. Okay, so let's go open up this thing. Let's go open up this thing. And then what we're gonna do, let's just I know this is not the best. This is not the best video, okay? Like the idea is that I'm just gonna do this anyways, right? The idea is that I'm just gonna do it anyways, so why not record the process? All right, so this is a horrible video. Okay, but hey, you know what? The thing is that, like, hey, if it's the only video out there opening this product on Amazon, then it's the best video, even if it sucks, right? So let's open this up. Okay, so okay, we got it open. Okay, let's pop it up. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Okay, all right. Well, maybe we should remove the little caption for Periwinkle. You might be wondering what I'm up to. Why does it say 11 days brewing? I've been cooking some bananas in a coffee pot for like almost, we're trying to do it for like 30 days. And then I'm going to like drink it if I get up to 200 followers on Twitch. That's kind of what I'm up to there. Okay, so we got it open. And, okay, there it is. Oh, it's right there. It's right in there. Cool. Cool. All right. All right. Okay, so the camera isn't in the best position here. Okay, let's pop that open. Okay. So I'm going to put this box over here. There's something else in that box. Let's not worry about that part yet. Okay, so there's a little manual thing, right? So there's a little, oh god, there it goes, disconnecting again. Okay, so the Dell cam that I'm using right now, god, it's such a great camera that works really well under low light, but this Dell camera, every single time you move it, it fucking it disconnects. Let's try to be PG-13 since I'm going to do this on an Amazon review. Okay, so we got this in here. We got this little camera. Let's put this camera back down. I should have got a mount for this. Oh my. Okay, so let's open that up. Okay, so we got some cords and things. Got some cords and things back there. Okay, let's just break it out. So we got this whatever. Toss that. We got this manual. Are we gonna read the manual? No, we're not gonna read the manual. Of course we're not reading the manual. Okay. So this is what it kind of looks like. Okay, so here we go. We got yeah, okay. So there's some type of little swivelly thing here. So I guess it just kind of is supposed to clip on top of a laptop or something. So it's probably supposed to do some weird, I don't know. It's probably supposed to do something like this. Let's throw it over here, right? It's probably supposed to do one of these things. Yeah, it's supposed to be like parkouring on top of your computer, kind of like that, probably. Yeah. Okay, cool. So it's not going to be good for putting on like a standard like tripod, right? This is not configured correctly for, a tripod mount, right? Okay, so that's one thing to keep in mind. It's a fixed focus, so keep that in mind as well. Okay, so the cord's pretty beefy. Let's go plug this in. Let's go plug this in and see how it works. I'm gonna go plug it in on my other computer over there. So let's kind of let's try to juggle these cameras here. Let's juggle these cameras. All right. So I got cable management people. Cable management people. Okay, cable management. Cable management. Okay, so can we get back over here? Can we get back over here? Okay, I can barely reach over here. Okay, I'm gonna have to set you down. I'm setting you down very carefully. Okay, do not break it. Don't break it. Don't break it. Okay. So I know I got a port somewhere back here. So we're going to find a port to throw this into, and then we'll see how well it works. We'll like open up OBS or something, and we'll just see how it works. So I know I got some type of USB port over here. I don't know what version it is because I can't really see back here because there's tons of cables all over the place. I'm just gonna plug it into one. USB, you never know which way is the right way, but you got a 50% chance of getting it right, right? Okay, let's come on, get in there. Oh my god, this is so difficult. Now this is not difficult because it's the camera. This is difficult because it's just me and my setup. Okay, so here's some things. Okay, I'm just gonna put this back here, and we're gonna head on over to my computer over here. But first, I gotta make sure that the connection to this camera is working. Okay, cool. So now we're just gonna head over here, and we're gonna go open up like OBS or something, and we're gonna see what happens. So let's go over here, and I need to type a little shortcut to open up OBS. So I'm gonna kind of try to carefully set you right down there. Oh, oh god, okay. I'll set you right down there. There, you get a look at the ceiling, right? Okay, so let's go run. Let me go run OBS for horizontal monitors. I got multiple copies of OBS for different things that I want to do. So we're just going to open up the copy of OBS that we have for our horizontal monitor. Okay, so we got it open, and okay, so now that I got it open, let's just make sure this isn't really disconnected yet. Are we disconnected? No, we're not disconnected. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're just going to add another scene really quick in OBS. Scene 2, whatever, doesn't matter, right? And then we're going to go into video capture, and we're going to add a new video capture device. Let's not worry about labeling it. Let's just try to find the new thing. So, okay, so this is, I already know this is this camera right here. Okay, that's not the camera we want. We want the new camera. Okay, HD webcam EMEET. It was called EMEET, right? We looked at the box, so we know that's what it is. Look, it's looking up at the ceiling. Beautiful. Okay, okay. All right, cool. So do we like that? Do we like that? You know, now that I think about it, we should have probably plugged this into the other computer, right? All right. We can do that next. My bad for that. But it's looking good to me. The fixed focus, it's definitely fixed focus, but the quality looks pretty good. Okay, so I guess what we should have done here, I'm gonna put you back. I'm gonna put you back on my mount, and we're gonna unplug it and plug it into the other computer really quick to see so you can see the actual camera feed, right? Instead of me like hackishly like pointing the camera at another monitor. Like what's so it's like why did I plug it in there in the first place? Well, it's because I'm like streaming on this other computer. And this poor laptop down here, we're beating the hell out of it. We are abusing it. It's like one more thing, one more camera. We already have two cameras plugged into this. Like, can it even take anymore? We got like one port left to plug in here, and it's just like I feel like a bad person. I feel like I'm abusing this computer. I mean, I know computers don't have feelings, but man, I mean, all right. So we plug that in. We plug this guy in. Let's see what it does. Okay, so I've been recording for like 9 minutes. Let's make a new scene really quick. We're gonna throw this scene away later, so it doesn't. Okay, so I know you can't hear me. I know you can't hear me when I switch scenes. It's gonna go dark for a little bit until we get this working. Okay. All right, so usually I don't use this mic. I think this might be a mic inside this camera that we're hearing from now. I don't actually know. I don't actually know where the sound is coming from right now. But okay, so this looks pretty good. This looks for sorry, it's upside down. It's upside down. This looks pretty good to me. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Right? It's definitely a fixed focus. Yeah, definitely fixed focus. But you know, it's not bad. Not bad, right? Look at that. Look at that. All right, we got some details, right? We can see some details, right? Yeah. Right? Can we see all the dust and scratches on this plexiglass over here? We sure can. What about that grass detail? What about that beautiful grass detail? Yeah, look at that grass. You want to touch grass? Let's touch grass. Let's touch grass. We don't got to go outside. We got grass inside. We got grass at home. We don't got to go outside. Yeah, touch that grass. Periwinkle. Periwinkle. FBI spook. Yep, you spook it over there. Good. This light up here. Okay, yeah. I mean, we can see some color. We can see some color. So there's like a kind of a colored backing board above the light that I was trying to, you know, get some ambiance in here. Can you see the kind of faded? Can we see the faded drawings that used to be on this white sheet back here? It looks like we can. Yeah, I mean, this looks pretty good, right? Let's just kind of wander around a little bit more. Right, so let's go over here. All right, sorry, you're upside down. So I can't see the feed anymore, but, you know, how's it looking? How's it looking? Does it look good? Does it look good? Does it look good? Okay, so I'm done here. I just figured, hey, since I had to unbox it anyways, I might as well, you know, since I had to unbox this anyways. You know, okay, so... Oh, we dropped it! Okay, so how well does it drop? Oh god, we dropped it hard. Well, it's still working. Okay, so that's good. So that camera over there, that Dell camera... Where's the Dell camera? We're upside down again, aren't we? Okay, wait, are we? Yeah, we're upside down again. Okay, so that Dell camera right over there that's mounted right there, you see that thing? Man, if we so much as wiggle that cord that's connected to the camera, it instantly disconnects. We just drop this thing and it's still going. So hey, that's good. That's good to know. Because I just dropped it and it's still working. So that's good. That's good. Good. It feels like things are a little bit. Is there like a bluish tint to this? Ooh, yeah. There we go. Yeah. All right. Yeah, but fixed focus. The fixed focus is a little bit meh. Like, right, if we're trying to read something. Ain't quite working. Remember at the beginning, we could see this text a little bit easier. How far do we at? Oh, we got to get like way back there. Okay, so, you know, not the best for like reading text on things. Like a fine grain text, it ain't going to work too well, right? Fixed focus, right? So fixed focus. So if you're at the right distance from the camera, I think it looks great. But obviously, if you want to read text that's kind of small, I guess that's not going to work. What about, like, don't we have, like, bigger text somewhere? Don't we have, like, numbers on something? Right, don't we have a board over here? Yeah, that looks pretty good, right? These numbers on here. Yeah, that looks pretty good, right? Yeah, all right, cool. So, my name is KanjiCoder, and I'm a game developer, and you can always catch me on Twitch, twitch.tv/KanjiCoder. Anyways, I'm going to get out of here.